Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. Spring is right around the corner and that means lots of garden and landscaping projects. This Gorilla Cart hauler is something I gotta show my love for. It features a 4-wheel steel base and sturdy, durable composite dumping tray. The air-filled pneumatic tires and zero-turn steering easily navigate any tree roots or obstacles in your way. The quick-release full dumping system expels everything in the bucket quickly and efficiently, and its 600-pound hauling capacity make this product perfect for any new homeowner or landscaping professional. On this last project, no matter if we were hauling gravel or granite, this Gorilla Cart came through in a pinch. Its zero-turn maneuverability is my favorite feature, moved over everything without any hassle. So when you get going on those garden and landscaping projects this year, I think I speak for everyone at Family Handyman when I say this Gorilla Cart is Family Handyman approved. For more great products we've tested and improved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.